Hello guys, so welcome back to Manda vlog. So today we are going to play some game. And the game is that these two kids will have to put the spoon in the mouth, and they have to put some marble also there, and they will have to walk from here till that line, and we'll see who will be the winner. And the prize for this game is that they will get a 10 rupees prize. And one, two, three, go! And here that guy already win, and this guy already win, and he already get a 10 rupees prize.